Okay, Michael Dunner here. I'm just going to show you how to find your correct time in your time zone. Now, I found this site here, 24 time zones, that's kind of difference. You'll click on time converter. Then you select the city. For instance, I shall put Brisbane. So Brisbane, Australia comes up. I shall select the city, say London, United Kingdom. Shows you approximate time now. It is 9:48, Friday, July the 3rd, 2020, and in London, the United Kingdom, it's 12:48 a.m. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see Brisbane, AST, Australian Eastern Standard Time, and London, Brisbane's British Standard Time, I imagine. Alright, so as 11 a.m. unfortunately it'd be 2 a.m. in London. Yeah, 12 p.m. which is start at the next meeting. 11 a.m. is the start of the meeting with Ma Janet. 12 p.m. we've got scheduled a meeting with Vince Chan is going to chair it. So that's 3 a.m. in London. Now, I can go back to that time converter. I'll leave it. What's that? We shall go Brisbane, Australia. Select Los Angeles, I suppose. Los Angeles, California. 9:50 a.m. here. It's 4:50 p.m. But it's July the 2nd, so we're a day ahead. I'm in Queensland, of course, Brisbane, Queensland. 4:50 p.m. So hope that helps when you're trying to find what time the meetings are on. Scroll down here, you see it converts the time here. Brisbane. So if we've got a meeting at 11 a.m., it is 6 p.m. in Los Angeles. 12 p.m. and 7 p.m. So that's better for the United States. So I hope that helps. We don't want advertising. Let's get this advertising and get rid of it. Stop seeing this ad. Not interested. I know. So I hope that helped you. All right, Michael Dunner. Better show me old mug again. Michael Dunner here. I hope that helped you. And wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a good day, night, evening. Cheers. Thank you.